Welcome back. Now it's time to test payment. So I have added this to cart pizza with sausage, and then I'm going to click on checkout, and then I'm going to fill out this form as usual in order to be able to check out. So let me fill out this form real quick. Here the phone number and the city as well as the address. So let me here type an address, and then what I'm going to do is that I'm going to click on checkout. So after I click on checkout, as you can see, I will be taken to the payment page. And now in the payment page, we have PayPal's button. As you can see, this is PayPal's button. Let me click on it. And I want you to pay attention to what I'm going to do. First of all, here we need to log in. And in order to log in, you need to use the testing email, the sandbox testing email. And I'm going to show you how you can get that email from. Let me head on over to my account to show you how you can get that email from. You should look for the buyer email. So this is the business email. The business, of course, the business is not going to pay to themselves. The buyer should pay to the business. So let me go back to my account, to my apps, and go to the email. So you need to head on over to your account and then click on accounts under sandbox. Click on accounts, and here you'll find your all of your business and personal accounts. So we need to use the personal account. I'm going to copy the email. You need to copy the email, this email. You need to copy it. You need to copy this email. Let me click here on view edit account. And as you can see, this is the total, this is the complete email ID. You need to copy this ID. You need to copy this ID, and you need to know the password, because I'm going to be using these in order to log in and test. So I'm going to copy this. So I'm going to paste the email here. Let me paste the email. This is the testing email. Let me click on next. And then I need to paste the password as well. I need to type the password. So let me head on over back to get the password. Here we have the password. Let me copy the password. So I'm going to paste the password here, and then I'm going to click on login. So now I logged in. As you can see, I logged in successfully. And I want you to pay attention to here the amount. The amount is $13.99, and in my website the amount is also $13.99, which means that PayPal now knows about the amount that the customer should pay. Also, there are so many options that PayPal provide. PayPal provides customers with so many different ways to pay. PayPal has the balance or the Visa card. There are so many ways, but it doesn't matter, because what matters is that your customers will be able to pay, whether they use the balance or the Visa or whatever method. Let's now test. Let me click on Pay Now and test. I'm going to click on Pay Now. And as you can see here, it says transaction completed, and it returned the transaction ID. As soon as the transaction ID is returned successfully, it means that payment was successful and money has been transferred from the customer to your from the customer's account to your account. So now we integrated PayPal successfully, and now money has been transferred successfully.